Hello, friends and family. It is indeed JD, the quarterback of the mic. Wishing America a very happy 250th birthday. One of what I think is great things about freedom is the freedom of choice of being able just to go out and get the food you want, and being able to make your choices where you want to work, and to remember that freedom isn't free. Freedom is always needs to be fought for, sometimes in war and sometimes just in the day-to-day mundane things, that we're in a battle between those who would want us to follow the dictates of communism, socialism. We're not a perfect capitalist system either, but capitalists create wealth, and the more wealth created, the better off people are going to be. We've already seen what happens when countries are under communist rule: the shortages, the lack of upward mobility. It's about who you know, and that's the thing, is that in the capitalist system there is sometimes there can be some nepotism, but you can come here from South Africa and become the wealthiest person in the world by working hard, couch surfing, and creating things, creating wealth for other individuals, because it's about how many lives that you touch as far as how successful that you're going to be. Anyway, that's not normally what I talk about, but it's on my heart at this moment. So, as I said, happy birthday, America. And I hope that each and every one of you will take time out to realize how special we are, or how special this country is, and to remember that we need to fight to maintain what we have, and to work to even make it better. And that's as I said, a mundane task, but that's the task that we have before us, in my opinion. And as we always talk about here on this channel, is being the best that you can be. And when you're your best, you make other people better, and you make this country better, and by extension, you make this world a better place to live. So, be thankful. Have a good time. America, happy 250th birthday. And I smile. That smiles for each and every one of you, because I appreciate you listening to my content. I hope that we'll be able to share more and more as time goes by. But tonight, be thankful and have a very pleasant 4th of July. God bless you all. Thank you for listening. Have fun, but get it done. It's JD, the quarterback on the mic, wishing you all the best. God bless you.